So now let's see how we can work around with components inside of Figma. So to make out component, first of all, you can go around and grab out a shape of your choice. So let's say I'm going to go around, grab in an ellipse, make a circle by holding Shift on my keyboard. You can also go around and then change this if you want. But I'm going to leave this as it is and make this as a component. So I'm going to go around over here and change the color of the component right here. And maybe I want to go around, add in some design right here. So let's say this is going to be a rectangle right here, just like this. And there you go. So I'm going to go around right here, maybe change the color of the rectangle right here, maybe make this rounded over here. So this is what you have. And I'm going to go around right here and make a text as well. So let's say this is day 1 right here, just like this. So I'm going to go around and then increase out the font size as well. So there you go. So day 1 is here. Select this out and there you go. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make this out as a component so that I can simply have access to this whenever I want. So I'm going to click and drag to select all of this, and to make it a component, I can right click, and over here you can go around and click on create component, or on the top you can see component button is here. You can click on this, and now once you click on this, what happens is that this component is grouped together, and over here you can see that it comes up as a component right here. You can go around, resize this as well according to how you like it. So let me just resize this, and maybe I want to make a few changes over here as well. So I'm going to go around, decrease this font size right here. So this is what you have. So let's say I want multiple instances of this. Then what I can do is I can go to assets, and over here in assets, you can see that this is the component under frame 1. You can bring this in right here. There you go. There's another component right here. Bring this in over here. There's another component. Bring this in. This is what you have. So if I were to go around onto the main component and make a change, what happens is that the other components get changed out as well. I can go around over here, change the color just like this, as you can see. But if I were to go around onto the other components that I brought in from here, then what happens is that I can make the change right here, and the original component or other components does not take any change. You can go around, change the color over here according to how you like, and simply edit out those components right here. But if I were to go around onto the main component, make some changes right here, let's say for example, if I were to go around and then let me just click outside right here. If I were to make some change right here, you can see that all of the components right here gets changed out according to what you have right here, except for the part which has been changed around individually. So usually what is recommended when you make component is have component in one page right here and have a bunch of components over here. Then what you can do is you can make another page right here, and in another page you can go around and then make frame and then bring in the component right here. On the asset, you can bring in the component right here, as you can see. So you can go around, and if you want to know which is the main component, you can simply go around onto page 1. And if you were to go around and make a change right here, everything on page 2 will be changed out right here. And you can go around and work around with these components individually right here and change it according to how you like it. So that is how you can make and use components inside of Figma in a design file. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.